Namaste everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Gayana. In this video, we are going to learn the pose called as Bird of Paradise pose. In Sanskrit, this pose is also called as Svarga Dvijasana. Here, Svarga means heaven, Dvija means twice born, Asana which means posture. This pose dynamically involves maintaining the balancing on the one leg and give a nice stretch to the hamstring and to the pelvic area. Let us see a few contraindication of this pose. If you are a too much beginner for the yoga, this pose is not recommended for you. If you have any injuries on your hip and the shoulder, you should avoid practicing this asana. Let us see how to perform this asana. First, stretch your legs forward. Slowly shake your legs. Now slowly right leg in Ardha Padmasana. Just make your leg up and down movement. To perform this asana, make sure your body should be little warmed up. Yes, now slowly right leg in Shishupalasana like this. Just move your leg side to side movement like this. Yes, after performing the Shishupalasana for few times, now try to place your right leg on the shoulder. Now slowly from here, take your right hand back and left hand back, try to catch your palms complete like this way. So if you are holding the palm like in this position, I think this is the half asana you have learnt. The main purpose of this asana is you need to balance and you need flexibility on the leg. Slowly release. After locking this, let us try to lift up the leg. Let me show you in the standing posture. To perform this asana, let us take the support of the chair and you can also take the support of the wall. I am using the chair here. Now slowly place your one leg on the chair. Slowly bend forward down. Try to place your shoulder next to the calf muscles like this. Palms on the chair. Slowly roll your shoulder back. Try to lock your palms complete. Now let us try to lift up the one leg. Find your balance. Slowly try to lift up the leg and stay here. Now slowly bend your other leg, drop your leg on the chair and relax. Now let us try to stretch the one leg. Now slowly place your one foot on the chair and underneath the leg, try to lock your palms complete. Now slowly with balance, slowly lift your one leg up. Yes, from here slowly stretch your leg. This is final posture of bird paradise pose. Try to practice on the both side. Benefits of this pose. It stretches the muscles of the entire body, improve the posture through the extents of the spine, enhance the lungs capacity and heart pumping. This pose is good target to the area around the hip, pelvis by stretching up your groin and hamstring muscles. That's it for today. Regular practice can perform this pose perfectly. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care and namaste.